My name's Lance Eidecker. I'm in charge of production primarily here. I am technically the VP of Operation, that's my title, but I oversee the production, maintenance, some of the safety stuff, making sure all the assembly and production stuff is flowing. CNC machining, in a nutshell, stands for Computer Numerical Control. It basically is a machine that uses tools, drills, reamers, taps, end mills, and the such to remove material, whether it's metal or plastic, to form a part using a computer software to tell it where to go. The CNC milling is the difference between, there's lathes and water jets and anything that a computer controls a machine to cut material is essentially CNC machining as we know it in manufacturing. At D&B, we have two mills, CNC mills. We have a CNC lathe. We have two water jets, which uses just a two-axis form of CNC. So the computer generates code using numerical numbers on a set of line of code, and it steps from one to the next, and it tells it to go here, then to there, to do this, then that, then this, ends the program, shuts everything down, moves it back, and it does everything there is to it. So in manufacturing, a lot of times a customer will already have a drawing or a model generated. In the event that they don't, we do use what's called CAD and CAM, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, anything like that we can use to generate drawings, 2D patterns. It could be three-dimensional modeling for assemblies and stress analysis, stuff like that. But we use that same information to input that into the software of a CNC that uses that information to generate code that tells the machine where to go. So in CAM, computer-aided manufacturing, it's something that you can plug in a model and the software will automatically generate a code for you. Once we've verified that the program is doing what we want it to do, we then move that to the CNC mill or the lathe, whatever it might be. So once we're out on the mills, we take a block of material or a blank of material, we put it in a vise or stops or a fixture. We then use probes to locate this part. We know, so the machine knows where it is in all directions. Then the program knows that, correlates the two together, and begins to machine. So once we begin machining, after the part's in the vise, clamped in, and everything is set, we run the machine. The machine begins to cut the material, and we get to see it actually cutting in front of us. The part starts to take shape one by one. Sometimes there's multiple operations, sometimes it's just a single part. After the part will run, we can actually take it out of the machine. We then perform quality duties to it to make sure that it's to spec, to tolerance, that it's everything that we want the customer to see. So with CNC machining, you have not only accuracy, but repeatability. That is the most important thing. Once we've set the machine up and the code is accurate and we've proved it out, you can run several parts over and over and over, and you'll have the same results each time. We focus on many things that can be involved with manufacturing. That could be window door hardware, bracketing for equipment, logistics companies, aerospace industry. There's not very many things that we can't do here. In the industry, it's limitless to what CNC can be applied to. We've already touched on some of this, but the advantages of CNC would be reduce human error is a good one in terms of quality, repeatability, speed, production times for using a computer instead of a man on a machine cranking handles. We increase production tenfold, and the accuracy is more precise. So with CNC machining, just like any technology, it's constantly evolving. There's always going to be advances, changes, and new things that people come up with. We're always trying to stay ahead, try to find new things, try to apply new things, and get creative to help our customers. CNC machining is a computer-aided manufacturing principle that can be applied to any piece of equipment. For us, it's primarily mills, lathes, and water jets. It's used for more precision, reliability, speed on production to keep costs down, and to provide complex solutions for our customers. I love to see your project on my desk. Reach out to us so we can help make your project a reality.